Alright, welcome again to another tutorial of the topic complex numbers. So in this tutorial we're going to learn about the distance between two complex points on the Argand diagram. Let's say you have one complex point, it's called Z1, which is equal to this is x1 plus I y1, and then you have another complex point, let's call it Z2, which is equal to x2 plus I y2. So we want the distance between these 2 points in the Argand diagram. Let me show you how it looks in the Argand diagram. So this is point Z1, this one, and this one is point Z2. So Z1 was x1 plus I y1, so it is x1 comma y1, and Z2 was x2 plus I y2, so it is x2 comma y2. So we want to find the distance here. Yeah. Sasa kama unakumbuka coordinate geometry ya form 4, distance between 2 points in the xy plane manake ingekuwa ni hivi, the square root of x1 minus x2 squared jumlisha y1 minus y2 squared. So the square root of this is the distance between these 2 points. Lakini sasa, note something, nikichukua z1 minus z2 ni sana mtu aseme x1 plus I y1 minus x2 plus I y2. So z1 now minus z2 kumbe ni sana x1 plus I y1 minus x2 minus I y2. So z1 minus z2 itakuwa ni sana x1 minus x2 jumlisha iy1 minus iy2. Naweza nikatoa nje I kabisa, iy1 minus y2. Hii ndo z1 minus z2. Sasa the modulus ya hii z1 minus z2 ni sasa na the square root ya hii real part squared jumlisha hii hapa imaginary part squared. Kwa hiyo square root ya hii okay, kosea kidogo hapo, turekebishe tu. Square root ya hii ndo modulus ya z1 minus z2. Lakini hii tumeiona wapi? Hii kumbe ni distance. Tunakumbuka hapa hii hapa inafanana tu na hii Kwa hiyo kumbe the distance between two complex point z1 and z2 ni sana the modulus of z1 minus z2. So this now is the formula for the distance between two complex points. So let's do one example here. This example, asema find the distance between the complex number u and v on the Argand diagram. So solution si tunajua distance itakuwa ni sasa na modulus ya u minus v. Kwa tutafute u minus v kwanza. U minus v manake uchukue 2 plus 5i minus 3 minus 4i, ambayo itakuwa sana 2 plus 5i minus 3 plus 4i. Ukiingiza hiyo negative ndani hapo. Yes, so 2 minus 3 tunapata ni negative 1, wakati 5i plus 4i tunapata nini? Tunapata ni 9i. Kwa hiyo kumbe u minus v ni sasa negative 1 plus 9i. Sasa distance itakuwa ni sasa na modulus ya hii u minus v, ambayo ni sasa na nini? Negative 1 squared jumlisha 9 squared, si ndio? Hivyo. So tuna 1 plus 81 kama hivyo, ambayo sana the square root ya 82, ambayo sana 9.02. So the distance units manake, okay, just say units, hamna shida. The distance between u and v on the Argand diagram ndo hiyo. So let me say see you in the next tutorial.